Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can apply for Google AdSense. Here you can see this is my WordPress website. Let me go in the dashboard, and after that in the plugin sections I can install a new plugin. So let me click here, plugins, and after that add new plugin. Here I can search for Google AdSense. Then after that let me scroll down. Here you can see these all different plugins. So I have installed this one, Sitekit. So let me go back, Sitekit settings, and after that here you can see search console is connected. Then let me go in the dashboard. And after that scroll down. Here you can see Google AdSense. Simply click here, connect now. And after that here I need to select Google AdSense account. So let me add email, and here I need to add password. Then click here, continue, and after that select all. Then scroll down, continue, then simply click here, verify. So it will ask you verify your website. And after that click here, allow button. Then click on the setup search console. So let me go back. And after that click here, add site to the AdSense. So guys, now the next step is we need to add a website in Google AdSense. Here you can see. Simply click here, save. And after that next step is we need to verify our website. So just I can use this one, meta tag. I can copy this, and after that let me go back. Appearance, and then theme file editor. Scroll down, and here I need to edit theme header. So let me select my theme Then scroll down. Here I need to select header file. So let me find out header.php. Here you can see header.php file. Just I can add here meta tag. Let me scroll down, and here you can see these are all the meta tags. So let me add a new line, then add meta tag, then update file. Here you can see file is updated, the website is verified. Then click next, and after that simply click here request review. So in this way you can easily apply for Google AdSense for your WordPress website.